Welcome to our tutorial on how to book hotels on Rayna. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make your hotel reservations hassle-free. Start by clicking on the Hotel tab on the homepage of the Rayna website. Now enter the destination where you plan to visit. We have worldwide hotel options available, so you can select from anywhere. Choose the dates for your hotel stay. Select the guest nationality, select the number of adults and children accompanying you, along with their ages if applicable. If you want to add more rooms, you can do so by clicking Units or Add Room. You can add up to 4 rooms. Pick the star rating range for the hotels you prefer, ranging from 1 star to 5 star. Click on the Search Now button to find hotels matching your criteria. Browse through the list of available hotels or use the search box to find your desired hotel. Once you've found it, click on the Select tab to proceed. Choose your room preferences by browsing through the list or using the search box to find your desired options. If you want to add a meal, simply click here and add it. After finalizing your choices, click on Add to Cart. Now, proceed to the cart for the checkout process or simply click on Checkout directly. Provide the necessary passenger details, including names and contact numbers. Additionally, enter any extra details required, such as the names of all passengers. Please note that you can hold the properties to secure the rates for your upcoming bookings for time limit basis. Once the client finalizes the booking, you can voucher on same rates. If the booking is not confirmed by the client before the deadline, it will be automatically cancelled. Select your preferred payment method among credit card, debit card, or net banking. You can also choose the credit limit option to hold unlimited bookings on time limit basis if it is refundable. Tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions, then click on Pay Now to confirm your booking. Your hotel booking is now successfully confirmed. Get ready to enjoy your stay.